How to change your username on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change your Instagram's username. Without any further delay, let's just get into it. First off, open up Instagram app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you can find your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you head over to your profile, you can find the option to edit your profile. So just tap on it. And as you can see here, you can just tap on username over here to edit it. First one is your display name and the second one is your actual username. Tap on username and you need to know that in most cases, you'll be able to change your username back to your original in another 14 days, but you can edit your username up to 5 times in 30 minutes. Your username is also going to be visible to everyone on or off Instagram as well. Now just make the changes that you want to make. And if you're sure that you want to change your username, tap on the check icon at the top right, and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.